Hello everyone, this is Hassan Sohail. So I started the course today at around 10 a.m. and I have covered two major portions of the first course of the first module. Basically, there are many like eight courses, and the first course has four modules. And in the first module, I have covered this first part. Welcome to preparing data for analysis with Microsoft Excel, and the second one, which was Introduction to Generative AI. So I learned many things that, like, first of all, I learned that businesses can use AI in the AI part because I just completed the AI part. Moreover, I completed the previous portion in the morning itself. So I just got to know that we have this PL 300 exam by Microsoft. So that like this course also prepares us for that exam, which will eventually get us a certification of data analysis with Power BI, right? So I did that. I read many assignments, and I did, I suppose, one written assignment which was 5 questions, and it was a quiz. I did very well, but in the second try or then the third try I got 100%. In the previous two tries I got 80%. So this first one was introduction program, and it was just like orientation session wherein we got to know that who are the educators and who, like, what we'll be learning in this course. In the second one, course introduction preparing data for analysis in Microsoft Excel, we learned that Excel can be used for analysis. Excel can be used for like presentation of the data in different formats, for example, charts and everything. Course syllabus preparing data for analysis. That this was a reading part how to be successful in this course. It was just be like very true to yourself and be punctual and be like decide your study place, whatever, right? And skills measured in the PL 300 exam, the same thing which I told. Day in the life, it told that what do data analysts work upon, like what is the nature of their work. So we understood that it was about like making people understand in a very like very easy manner what is the data, what does the data says, right? This was discussion prompt. It was where we were taken to a forum and we discussed, like many people told us how they were feeling and what were they expecting from this course. I just explored that. Then we have how to open an image. This was a very basic course. We were told that how to open an image, like right click on an image and clicking on open the image in new tab. Then we have how to look at and download files in different browsers, for example, Chrome and Brave and Edge, Firefox, like these. Additional key concepts. This was just basically about the exam as well as the course, the special features about the course. Then the next part which I just completed was introduction to generative AI. I told like generative AI for everyone, capabilities for like business functioning, generative AI terminology, what are GAN, what is BERT, what is BERT, what is GPTs and everything. And one more, it was like it was told that GPT-3 did some mistakes, so it is also not very like reliable, and it is very inconsistent for the legal purposes. This was the main whole crux of these 3 or 4 sections, the last 3 or 4 sections. Shortcomings I already told. And general quiz, it was just a quiz of like it consisted of 5 questions. It was very easy, but in the third try I got 100%. I don't know why. I just missed some point. And the last is generative AI in business. This is the last document which I just opened. From tomorrow, i.e., 21st of March 2025, I'll be starting with this. Creating workbook content is the first step towards Excel. Like how do we use Excel? What is the first step to get into Excel, right? So I just understood that this course is for everyone. Moreover, this is a very basic approach, and I know that it is a very basic course because this is only the first module. I know that in the second or third module I have to be consistent, and I have to be like maybe keep exploring so that I don't get, if I get stuck in any part, if any in any point, I'll be referring to these documents and everything. So yeah, this is the whole point. So I understood it very well, and I enjoyed this journey. Thank you.